Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh. Welcome, brothers and sisters, to my channel Faisal Azib. I hope that you are well. For me, alhamdulillah. Today, I will begin a new chapter, and it will be about Android Studio overview. In this chapter, I will show you a lot of things, and we will finally, in this chapter, I hope that you have some concept about Android Studio and how to install it first times, and to show you different screen in Android Studio. Next thing, I will create simple project. After this, I will add a text in our application, simple application, and I will add a button, text field, display message, and finally, I will add an image. I want to show you how to add image in application. So the first step is to begin to install Android Studio. Then we will go to Google and just type Android Studio. And go to this link, developer.android.com/studio. And here, click in this button, download Android Studio. The size of the file is very big, huh? As you can see, it's near 1 GB. So it depends on your connection. Download will be quick or low, okay? Maybe I will make a pause for the video. I will come back when the installation will be finished. Now here, of course, before the download, it will tell you to accept term and condition. Check this button and download Android Studio for Windows. If you are using off Mac or Linux, just follow the step that is shown in the site developer android.com, and you will find different steps. It's very easy. It's very same thing. Okay, don't worry about this. And here I will download it. To download or no, development here, Android Studio. Okay, now I will install it. I am waiting. What is it? I think I will make pause of video and I will come back when the installation begins, because it depends of your type of your computer. It's very with high performance or no. The installation can be very quick or very low. Okay, now I will come back. I think I have something doesn't work in my browser, because I have clicked directly in the file downloaded. I don't know what is blocked. I have clicked a lot of things, but I know I don't get nothing. So I'll make the pause of video and I will come back. So to install it, click as administrator to don't have any problem. Let's wait. Okay. I hope the installation doesn't take a lot of time. Okay, here, just click next, next by default, and choose directly where you want to install it. For me, I will let it by default. You can create or don't create shortcut in your desktop as you like. And here installation begin. I hope it doesn't take a lot of time, but I prepare my cup of tea. It's very hot until now. Let's drink some tea. So after this, when installation finish, I will show you a very quick overview of Android Studio, where we will work in this editor, Android editor, and you will see how to also run an emulator. I will tell you now, the emulator will take a lot of memory. So it depends of your capacity of your computer. If you have, I think, not latest computer, an E5, I think it's good. Okay, E7, it's very good. In macOS, it's the same thing. In Linux, it's the same thing. When you launch or run emulator, that's the case. We don't have choice. It eats a lot of memory. We don't have the choice. But you can also run your application or test it in mobile. But for this, I can't show you the demo. I can show you execution because I must come back to mobiles, record the screen, etc., and come back to mix with current video. It's very, very long. So for this, I will make all the execution in the emulator, inshallah. So as you can see, the installation is very long. You can prepare your cup of tea as me or a cup of coffee because as a download, as the installation, I don't know, it take 2 minutes. No problem. No problem. No problem. So also I hope that you have understand some concept about Java Basics, but you can see when I launch the first application of Android with a very, very simple thing, you will see the class, the import, method, variable, and because of this I have start an introduction about Java before to start Android development step by step. It's very, very, very important. I hope also that you have make a lot of example in Java and you have got an error because when you got an error, repeat, you can learn more things and you can make your first search or precision search in Google and a lot of time you will get it in Stack Overflow. So installation will be finished, I think, in some second. And I hope I don't get an error when I run an emulator because sometimes it will give me some surprise. So let's go. Next, and here I will run my Android Studio finally. Alhamdulillah. Whoa, yeah, Habibi. Here you have some screen. What does it mean? If you have installed before Android Studio, maybe you have do it before. Android Studio will tell you if you want to import some setting. Okay, because me, I have to make it before a lot of time. And if you don't want to import your previous setting, just click here. Do not import setting. And it's okay. Here you have also, if you have installed your Android Studio before, may we tell him to delete all my previous version. Okay, I don't want to let anything. I want to install the fresh new Android Studio. So I click to my previous version of Android Studio and I delete directory. If it's first time to launch your Android Studio or first installation, you don't get this screen, huh? Okay. So now we will wait. Welcome back. Yes. Here I will click to the next. I just choose standard installation. Okay, next. And finish. And here he download a lot of things from internet. Also, it depends of your connection. Maybe we take 1 minute or 5 minutes. It depends of your connection. I know this video will be maybe very long, but it's very important. I don't want to skip anything to show you all the process, because I can make the pause between the installation until I finished, but I don't want to make it. Maybe I got an error to show you how to resolve it. Maybe I don't get an error, and I will continue the process. That's what I hope. Okay. I don't know how many time it takes. Please contact administration. Why? Okay. Here, he tell me I have some problem. I think about this package. HAXM. Okay? This one, you can enable it in your BIOS. Okay, you must, if you have this error in installation, you must enter to the BIOS and search, it depends of your computer, search in Google how to enable this word, HAXM, HAXM in BIOS. I will make it for me, and I will return when I make the final step and come back to run again the installation. So let's go. I will come back next video, inshallah.